Alright, we're back on this 2012 Prius C, and this was my own vehicle that I explained from my previous videos, and I just performed a recovery. Every year I perform a recovery, measure the refrigerant that comes out. I explained that in previous videos. This year I lost 80 grams of refrigerant over this year. The first, I think, 3 years I lost nothing, and then after that it was like 40 grams, somewhere around there. And now on this year, it's 2021, I lost 80 grams from last year when I recharged it. So there is a leak. It's not visible. Could not pick it up with a refrigerant leak detector, electronic. So I'm going to perform a single hose vacuum. You see on the high side right there that I have the Blue Vac Pro Plus, and I have one single vacuum hose to the vacuum pump. That is going to low side, and so I will turn that on. Let's plug that in. So right now the hoses are not plugged in. So these are not turned down yet. So you see it says high pot. That means atmosphere. That's atmosphere. Because this is not screwed in yet. This is not screwed in. So let's screw this in. This is after I did a recovery. So now the vacuum pump is now engaged to the system through the low side. So now I'm going to screw in the high side so we could read that. So let's get the high side in there. And there we go. You could read it right now. So we'll watch that over a few minutes, see how fast it goes down, just in these few minutes. Now remember, when I performed the recovery and I had a recovery unit on here and I recovered the refrigerant, I think I recovered it down to 1,300 microns. So just the recovery unit alone brought it down to 1,300 microns. Now what you're reading here is the loss, because there's a little bit of air right inside here. So I just put this on and I actually introduced a little bit of air. But what I actually did was I used my nitrogen tank and a hose, and I flooded this little valve right here in this little opening, this little tube, with nitrogen prior to screwing it on. So what I just got sucked into my system was actually nitrogen. And that little bit, I'm not going to worry about it. So we'll leave this on here, and we'll actually graft it. We'll put it on the graft. You could see right here how fast it pulled down. And we'll just leave that on there, and we'll graft this and see how long it takes to get all the way down to below 500 microns using just one hose. Alright, we'll be back. And what time is it right now? It's Saturday. It's 10:45 p.m. So I'm gonna go to sleep, and I'm just gonna leave this on, and we'll be able to read this down and graft it over time.